Hi there, hope you're well. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, just will be highlighting with you how you can check for your website's click depth. So a click depth is practically how many clicks a person or a user needs to make before they reach a certain page that they intending to be using. Okay, in this example, we'll be using ProLemon.com. This app that we are using is called Website Auditor by SEO PowerSuite. So that's the first thing that you want to do is get the SEO PowerSuite, and then you'll be ready to go. Okay, so right here is what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in the URL as you can see here, and then click on next. I have enabled expert options. I'll just highlight what those are just now. So I'm gonna click next. We won't start auditing this yet. There we go. And then you choose the robot and many other options. For example, I like to use Google's Google Bot just because we optimize for Google. Click on search for orphan pages because this is really essential to always know. So you can just say sitemap right here, or you can remove it, up to you. Okay, so once you're ready, you wanna click on finish. Okay, so what it's gonna do now is it's gonna audit the whole website. It's not just gonna show us the the click depth, but it's just gonna do an audit for the whole website. So it usually takes time. So just for your convenience, I will pause right here and then restart once the audit is over. All right, almost there. All right, all complete. Awesome. So this is practically an audit of the website, but this is not something that we want to press on. We want to just navigate and click on nav visualization right here. There we go. And let that load. Perfect. So this is a really good example of a easy navigating website. I'll just highlight to you why. So as you can see here, the home page goes to the main categories, we could say, and then it helps you then navigate to other smaller pages. So just gonna zoom in here quickly. You see these are, most crucial pages for any website to have, as you can see here. Now, how to check click depth? So if you click on PPC, you see here from the home, you can navigate straight to PPC, as you can see. Okay, so in PPC, in order to reach these pages, you need to have done 3 clicks, as you see right here, the navigation. So it's from home, that's 2, that's 3, that specific page, and so on. So the links that you're seeing here that are pointing to so many places, it's showing that this page is now being also linked in these various pages, mainly because they interlink, they say the same thing. Could be blog posts also saying that, hey, listen, check out our blog, our services in PPC, and so on. So this is what you would preferably want your website to also look like. The maximum click-through rate that is encouraged is 3 for any crucial pages. So you want to make sure that there's also no orphan pages. That would be just pages with no links to it. So that's extremely crucial. So that's how you can check for a click depth using SEO PowerSuite SEO audit. So if you like this video, please like this Visit us at prolemon.com. Um, subscribe to this channel. Ciao.